This past week we had a snowstorm and it was in the teens and the snow was very light and fluffy and there was a lot of wind. And as you can see as you go along the snow fence here, this part right here is next to the section of our driveway that typically drifts a lot. And you can see that the drift caught behind the snow fence is nearly as tall as the snow fence. We got about a foot of snow. And then over here, there's also pretty good drift built up. This one's probably only about 2 feet tall, maybe 3. But then up here, past the end of the snow fence, boys decided not to run it quite as far this year because we'd had several years of light snow. And then up here on the driveway, you can see where there is no fence, there's significantly more drifting on the driveway. I'll see if I can get a closer zoom in on that. It's coming in from the edge. The neighbor plowed it extra wide, so it's not covering the driveway, but it is definitely more cloudy or more drifted. And then here, where we've got the snow fence up, you can clearly see where the neighbor did not plow or recently, but it's still clear. So I would say for us out here in the country with the open fields, it is definitely worth having the snow fence in place for when we do get storms like this. It was definitely a big help.